first space flight. Previous assignments for my newspaper had sent me to the moon many times, but never into the vast reaches of deep space.
Now we have this array of 6 elements: 0, 3, 4, 1, 1, and 2. I have a very cool sorting algorithm, count sort. We want to sort the elements in the ascending order. We have to create an auxiliary array of the size of 5, since we've got 5 different elements in our array, but the size of the auxiliary array can be different, since it can be 2 if we only have like 0 and 1s in our array. But in our case, we have 5 different elements in an array of 6 elements. Now we have to count how many instances of each element we've got. We've got 1 0, 2 1s, 1 3, 1 2, I'm sorry, 1 3, and 1 4. Now we gotta add them all up. We start with 1 right here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 5 plus 1 is 6. Now we've got to move all of these things to the left, but we move them in this direction. So we have the elements to the left, these numbers to the left. So we got now 5 here, 4 here, since you see we do this. Three goes right here. 1 goes right here, and this is 0. Now, in the new array, these numbers are gonna correspond to the starting point of basically it's not the starting point. Well, you can call it a starting point of where this element is gonna occur. We start with 0 in a new array of 6 elements. So 1 spot, 2, 3. So 0 goes here. I'm actually gonna pick a different color now. So 0 goes here. Then 1 is gonna start at 1. Starts at 1. Then we have to add it up so it can go up to 3. So we do 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So now 1 goes to a spot of 2. As we know, the array, the numbering starts from 0, so 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Since we filled this up, then we add 1 more and we get to 3. When we get to 3, we see that 2 corresponds to 3. So we put 2 right here. Then we add 1 more up and we see that 3 is at spot 4. And 4 to 5. Now, look, we got this array sorted. So the cool thing about this method is that it sorts. So basically we see that we got 2 different ones, and they're in this specific order. This one goes to the spot of 0, 1, 2, 3. This one is a 5, 3. This one is a 4. Basically, if these were not numbers and they were, I guess, names or, I don't know, something else that corresponds to this number, let's call it UD, and this one is gonna be UCLA. UD would occur right here. So basically, it's still going to be first. And then UCLA will go here. It's not going to be like UD goes here and UCLA goes here. They remain in the same order as they were. This method is actually so easy. It's just very useful and great. And I don't know what else I can explain, but there are some things that are needed when you do this. Basically, you need to create 2 XOR arrays. Well, even more than that. You need 3 auxiliary arrays that are that correspond to the numbers that are contained in the original one, since you have to do all of this math and stuff. And then you need to create the 5th array, which is going to be the new sorted array. And it takes some space, but this sorting algorithm is actually so easy. I couldn't believe that I got it. Yeah, I don't really know what else I can explain better here, but I hope you guys understood what I was going to say and how it works. And basically, I hope I could help and explain it better to all of you. Yeah, I'll include some cool some videos that are going to be interesting somewhere in between. So maybe some Easter eggs, I'll see. So I hope you liked it. I know that my drawing is awful. I know that it looks like I didn't put any effort in this, but I actually tried to explain it to the best of my knowledge. And I hope you guys have a great summer break. Have a good one.